Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to prepare some amazing rice and peas. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and follow me over on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. And remember to always tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. I will start off by adding some water to my pressure cooker. I will then go ahead add my washed red kidney beans, and of course you always want to wash your beans nicely before you go ahead and cook it. I will also add some garlic, and of course I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. I will then cover it and allow it to cook for roughly about 25 to 30 minutes. Now you have the option of slow cooking your beans, or you can go ahead and pressure it. The difference is if you pressure your beans, it cook a little bit faster, about 25 to 30 minutes, and you should be good. If you opt to slow cook it, then it's going to take you roughly about 50 minutes to cook. Whichever one works for you and your family, and if you want to save time, then you can always go ahead and pressure it. Once it's finished, I will show you guys what it looks like. So this is it. My beans all cook. So what you can do, you can take up a small amount of the beans, use your hand to just press into it, and of course if you press into it without applying a lot of pressure, then you will know that the bean is cooked nicely. I will now go ahead and add some of my scotch bonnet pepper, some French thyme. I will also add some scallion, some salt, and of course I'm going to add some pimento berries. I will also go ahead and add the coconut milk powder, and you always want to ensure that you allow your coconut milk powder to cook for roughly about 5 or so minutes. Now, if you don't have the coconut milk powder, but you have the authentic coconut milk that you make at home, you can always go ahead and use it. And basically, it is the same procedure. You want to allow it to cook for roughly about 5 or so minutes before you go ahead and add the rice. For today's recipe, I will be using white rice. However, you can always go ahead and use brown rice. You can serve this up with some amazing fried chicken. You can serve it up with some fish, pork, whatever you have at home. And I do have different kinds of meat on my channel. You can always go ahead and check that out. So just to note, guys, I will not be adding any butter because I add the vegetable oil already. However, if you want to add a little bit of butter to yours, you can always go ahead and do so. So this is what it looks like after 5 minutes, of course. So we're just going to combine everything together nicely, and then we're going to add our washed rice. And remember to wash your rice properly before you add it to the pot. Once you add the rice, we combine everything together nicely, cover it and allow it to cook. And once most of the water is cooked out of your rice, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and turn it down on low heat and allow it to just simmer and cook nice. So once it's finished, I will show you guys what it looks like, and you can always go ahead and check the description box for all of the ingredients that I'm using today, and you can always let me know what you think about this amazing recipe. So this is it, the final product of my amazing rice and peas. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Of course, I served mine up with some amazing vegetables and of course some roast pork, and all of these recipes on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and listen, I can't wait to see you on Wednesday for another awesome recipe. Remember to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. Guys, thank you for your love and support. Bye.